Welcome back. In today's video, it is your girl Champagne coming to you again with another great video. If you are new here, I help solo estheticians win and others with their skincare and beauty needs. And that brings me today, flawless skin. We're going to be talking about how to get flawless skin, how I get flawless skin as a virtual esthetician. When I'm asked, what do I use for my skin? Oh, you look so young. What do you do? Right now, y'all, I look kind of crazy right now, but we about to get her together. Right now, I'm going to take me a before photo. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oh, perfect. Today, I'm going to be sharing my tips on what I do to receive a makeover. I'm going to be sharing how to achieve flawless skin, even if you're in your 30s, 40s, and 50s, because we're going to age, but we still can get great results. I know my hair look crazy, but that's okay. Let's get started. So I got the bed and stuff situated, ready to go for myself. Okay. And this is where my camera is going to be, of course. I'm going to be doing some steaming, and you guys, we're going to be using this today. So I took some before pictures. I'm going to be showing you guys how it's done. I'm going to wax my brows. I might show you guys how I do that just quickly. Yeah, before I do my facial. So let's get started. Guys, here's the brows. Okay, you guys, so I just got done waxing the brows. I went on ahead and went in with this Finapil antiseptic cream to help prevent any breakouts. Then I'm going to be headed over, as you see, with the steam. You guys, steam helps to open up your pores. It overall relaxes you as an individual. I just love the steam. The steam is everything, you guys. I got too relaxed, by the way. I was really relaxed. I think I started to fall asleep. But as you guys see, I am really getting that steam set into my skin to really open up my pores. Then I'm going to be going in with this O2 lift from Image Skincare. I really love this. I use this twice on myself and once on a client. Great results. Here I'm just showing you that this is a step-by-step treatment service. So it has numbers on there. So 1, 2, 3, just to help you follow along when offering this type of service to your clients or on yourself. I'm going to be going in with that facial cleanser there. This is Get to Milk Cleanser. I really love how this cleanser feels, by the way. It's very smooth and soft on the skin, which I think is really beneficial. And here's a close-up for you guys. Work it. But yep, as you guys see me, I'm really massaging that facial cleanser in, trying to get rid of and remove surface impurities. And while I'm using this cleanser, it is also moisturizing to my skin. It's like a rich moisturizing cleanser with grapeseed oil. It helps to support optimal results with the O2 lift treatment. This is an oil-based cleanser. So just in case you was wondering, and you can massage gently for 1 to 5 minutes. And you can remove with a sponge and warm water or a towel. But I really like this cleanser. I'm not really big on oil cleansers, but for this cleanser is really good. I really like how it feels on the skin, I must say. You guys, that neck massage feels so wonderful. I mean, just the facial massage in general, massaging in general is just really beneficial for your overall skin health. It helps with blood circulation, it relaxes facial muscles, and so much other great things, you guys. So here you see me using a disposable towel to wipe off my face. If you are interested in these towels, I will leave some links down below for them. They are very hygienic and I love that. So it's one-stop shop, one use. Okay, so we're going to be moving in to step 2. We're going to go in with the enzymatic facial peel, you guys. This is an exfoliating gel peel, okay? It features fruit extracts and provides a revitalizing treatment. Definitely if you have like dull skin, okay, this is really beneficial. I really love this step process. Why? Because as you massage in that peel, you're gonna start to feel you're gonna start to roll away dead skin. You're gonna actually see it and it's gonna feel smooth. Your skin is gonna look bright. It's gonna look really good. But this is like my favorite step when doing this treatment. See, you can see those little dead skin cells rubbing away. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so moving on to step 3, we're going to be going in with the oxygenating facial mask. This is my second favorite, you guys. I really like this just because I like how it fizz up on the skin. Although it has like this tingle effect, I really don't care for. But that's just to show you that it's working, but it kind of have like this tingle itch effect. But I really love this mask. Like I said, it bubbles on contact to refresh and revitalize and brighten your skin. It also helps to smooth any skin texture if you have texture to the skin. So after you let this sit, it's going to thicken and settle in like a cloud-like fashion. And you guys are going to see that it's already doing it right now as I speak. Pretty cool. So we're gonna let this sit for 15 minutes. And I just want to say, you guys, this treatment is really something good to offer to your clients. Definitely if you have someone that's about to get married. And the reason why I say that is because it really helps to brighten and glow your skin. And I love that about this treatment. But this is something that I would highly recommend, definitely as like one of your specialty facial services. So I'm about to go in and wipe my face, as you see, with those disposable towels. I'll leave the link down below for them. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go in with this stem cell facial enhancer, you guys. I'm going to apply that on my face. That will be step 4. So keep in mind, this is a concentrated booster with a plant stem cell extract to enhance the appearance of your skin, making it firm, and helps to minimize the look of wrinkles. Okay, so moving on to the last step, which is step 5, the tinted moisturizer. I'm going to apply this on my face. Now, I know I am brown skinned, and so I really don't need to use a tinted moisturizer, but this moisturizer is meant to be like a sheer tinted moisturizer and to give you flawless skin. So basically, I just applied it more so on those darker parts of my face just to give it more of a sheer blended effect. So I didn't go in with a lot, I just used very little. So now I'm going in with the Illuma eye cream. I really like this eye cream. It's supposed to help brighten up your under eye area. And so I chose this eye cream. So you guys, here you see the Vital C Hydrating Enzyme Mask. I literally thought I was using the Vital C Hydrating Face Cream. So you guys are watching right now me apply a mask with the serum onto my face, thinking it's a moisturizer, you guys. Oh my goodness. No, it's not. And the crazy thing is, I didn't feel any tingles or anything. It actually felt like a moisturizer. And I also was wondering, like, it's supposed to glow a little bit more than what it's doing. But yeah, you guys, so I accidentally went in with the mask instead of the face cream, so do not do that. But any face cream you have or serum, you can mix them up, and that is the special sauce, you guys. That's how you get that special glow. I don't care what face cream you got or what serum you have. Make sure the serum does have like a brightening effect, like the Illuma one that I'm using. But yeah, I was wondering, like, okay, why isn't it not glowing as much as I like it to be? And the reason why is because I went in with the mask. I did later on, you know, I washed my face later on that night, but yeah, I didn't have no reactions, no burning, no nothing. So I mean, as you guys can see, it looks a little hydrating, and that's probably because I mixed it with that serum, but I was wondering why. So now I'm going in with this lip balm lip gel. I really love this. This is my favorite lip gel from Illuma, or not Illuma, sorry, from Image Skincare. I've always used this lip gel on clients, and they love it. I love it. And yeah, so this is my finished look, you guys. Don't make that mistake I did. Hey y'all, so here is the finished flawless after look, and I just wanted to show you guys this just because, you know, I am moving to be a virtual esthetician, so I still will be helping estheticians, solo estheticians, and people with their skincare and beauty needs. Now, I'm not sure if this is accessible for like people who are not licensed, but I'm gonna check to make sure. But if you are an esthetician and you are looking to offer something like this, the O2 lift, it is very wonderful, you guys. I like that it gives you like a flawless glow, but there is a tip and a trick that I did when it comes to get that actual glow, and that is when I combine the face cream and the serum together. You guys, I love doing this because it just gives a texture of silk but moisture, but not too silky, but it's the perfect mix. And you don't have to use that serum or that moisturizer. You can literally use what you have at home. If you have a serum and a moisturizer, try squeezing in a little of your serum on your face cream and rub it on your face, and you guys, you're gonna kind of get something like this, a soft glow. That's what I like to call it. I'm not sure if the public can get this, but I know estheticians can get this if you have an account with Image Skincare. But I really love this treatment. Wonderful. I'm sure you guys might be able to get the gel to milk cleanser with this, I assume, and maybe some other stuff, maybe, and a tinted moisturizer. But as far as like the kit, I'm not sure. I'll leave a link down below if that's the case for public and for estheticians. So yes, this could be something that, you know, I could have done this and offered this as a little course, you know, to really break down step by step how to use this. And I probably could do that as well. Just drop in the comments down below if you guys want to see a full how-to video with this. I mean, like a whole complete service. I like using this. I've used this twice already. I love how it makes my skin feels and look. So those are some of the products that I use. Gonna keep it going with some great videos. So I'll catch you guys back with another video, and I'll be leaving helpful links as always down below in my videos, and I'll catch you guys back with another one. Bye.